Sounds. 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 Noun. Definition: vibrations that travel through the air or another medium and can be heard when they reach a person's or animal's ear. Example: light travels faster than sound. Noun. Definition: sound produced by continuous and regular vibrations, as opposed to noise. Example: the sound produced by drums is short. Thus, any continuous sound can be produced only by rapid repetition. Noun. Definition: music, speech, and sound effects when recorded and used to accompany a film, video, or broadcast. Example: a sound studio. Verb. Definition: emit or cause to emit sound. Example: a loud buzzer sounded. Verb. Definition: convey a specified impression when heard. Example: he sounded worried.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.